Hi, my name is Alex Lewis. I'm co-founder and CEO of Electro-Active Technologies, where we are working to power cities with waste. Almost 40% of food produced in the world is wasted, a staggering amount and leading source of methane emissions from landfills. As a result, cities and states are enacting policies to curb food waste around the country and the world. However, options to achieve this are very limited, extremely expensive, and include long transport distances. Electro-Active has developed a proprietary process using electron-generating bacteria as part of a system that can convert food waste into renewable hydrogen, and we can do it on-site, enabling us to work with large waste generators as well as waste haulers, offering them a service that can save them more than 30% on their waste management and transportation costs. My co-founder and I developed this technology with over 5 years of fundamental research at Oak Ridge, laying the foundation for launching this company. Our technology is known as microbial electrolysis and utilizes a robust microbial community, including those electron-generating bacteria, which we have evolved and developed with over 5 years of research, as I described at Oak Ridge. These microbes can grow as a biofilm on an electrode and produce protons and electrons from almost any organic waste stream. We take those protons and electrons, and with the help of about 1 volt of additional electricity, can make hydrogen in the system with high efficiency. We plan to scale up this system using a stack approach, where individual reactor units are replicated and stacked together to make larger systems. The smaller size of the individual reactor units de-risk the scale-up process compared to other biological systems. Meanwhile, the use of low-cost materials in the system can make this modular approach economical. We plan to initially offer this as an integrated hydrogen and waste service to large waste generators like Kroger, Amazon, and Walmart, among others, offering them a service for a single fee at competitive price points. These same companies also use hydrogen fuel cell forklifts in their warehouses, enabling a dual on-site opportunity to convert waste into hydrogen. We can then grow from these early adopters to work at larger scale at the city stage, working with waste haulers and municipalities to tap into the larger sources of food waste coming from homes and restaurants. And that can allow us to make larger volumes of hydrogen to open up additional hydrogen markets like transportation. Our circular approach to hydrogen production can result in a negative carbon pathway through reduced transportation, abatement of landfill emissions, and offsetting of fossil fuel use, bringing additional marketable sustainability benefits to our customers. We see large growth potential for this company due to the widespread issue of food waste. We can expand across the US and onto other parts of the world where over 1 billion tons of food waste are produced every year, of which we could produce $78 billion worth of hydrogen from. The World Economic Forum recently came out with a statement that hydrogen is no longer the fuel of the future, it's already here. And we see this through investments by companies like Toyota, Walmart, Amazon, Shell that are investing heavily in hydrogen fuel cells and ramping up their production. We're also seeing countries coming out with ambitious hydrogen use targets that can be accelerated by this technology. Our team is led by myself and co-founder Abhijit Barole. I helped develop this technology during my PhD, and Abhijit brings 20 plus years of experience as a scientist at Oak Ridge. We've also been assembling a great team of engineers that are leading our scale-up and sensor development efforts for the system. We are also getting advice and guidance from a great team of advisors that bring technical, financial, and industry experience to advance the company and the technology. The company started out at Oak Ridge National Lab, but since then we've participated in DOE and NSF I-Corps, carrying out over 200 plus interviews across the waste to hydrogen value chain to understand the problems and opportunities that our system can bring. We have participated in a number of accelerators, including the world-leading IndieBio Accelerator, as well as most recently Plug and Play in the Bay Area, connecting us to corporate sponsors. We are now an active participant in the Innovation Crossroads program at ORNL, which is a lab-embedded entrepreneurship program that allows us to leverage the world-leading expertise and resources at the national labs to advance the technology. We are now in the midst of raising a seed round of private capital of $2 million, of which we have $1.4 million in the bank that will take us through our scale-up efforts and pilot demonstrations in the field. So we are looking to close out the remaining $600K to close out our seed round, and we're looking for pilot partners to get projects going out in the field. So with that, I'll thank you for your time and ask you to join our cause to power your city with waste. Thank you.